Are you looking for the best hex key set? In this video, we will break down the top 4 hex key sets on the market. We have included links in the description for each product mentioned, so make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range. At number 1. TEKTON Long Arm Ball End Hex Key Set. This 26-piece set allows you to pivot the working end up to 25 degrees to reach places that old-school tools have trouble getting to. The durable black oxide finish covers a patented chrome vanadium steel alloy that reduces headwear and prevents bending or breaking. But the feature which makes the TEKTON kit one of the top Allen wrench sets is the extra long arm for deeper reach and even more torque. The case these fine wrenches come in is not sturdy enough for heavy use, but it works well for occasional use and long-term storage, and it even opens flat for easy access to the tools. At number 2. Amazon Basics Hex Key Set with Ball End. This set is a must-have set for the layman and the professional alike and is sure to offer a valuable addition to your toolbox. The set fits a variety of bolts and screws with 6-sided socket-style heads. It is made from chrome vanadium steel alloy, which is a well-known combination for strength and toughness in the trade. It consists of 26 different pieces of tools that enable you to quickly tighten or loosen fasteners in all manner of apparatus and equipment, whether in the home, garage, at a job site, at the workshop. The black oxide finish prevents corrosion, thereby making it rust-free, and the tools are made to undergo sandblasting so it comes out with the required smooth surface to handle any job. The long arm construction gives it the needed torque for minimum force exertion to engage the greatest amount of load. The 2 hinged storage cases firmly secure your hex keys and distinguish the metric markings from the standard ones on either side. The huge and bold size markings ensure you are never mistaken when going for each piece. The ball end structure makes possible an entry angle of up to 25 degrees, which enables you to reach around obstacles. At number 3. REXBETI Hex Key Allen Wrench Set. This hex key wrench set features a wide range of inch and metric sizes from 3/64 into 3/8 in and 1.27 to 10 mm. So perfect for around the home, garage, workshop, or any projects. Made of heat-treated chrome vanadium steel for ultimate strength and reliable performance. The ball end design helps to access socket cap screws up to a 25-degree entry angle. The bonus strength-saving T-handle helps to tighten or loosen fasteners more quickly and easily. Heat-treated S2 steel 52 to 58 HRC for ultimate strength and reliable performance, better hardness, and torque than normal chrome vanadium steel CRV. T-handle helps to tighten or loosen fasteners more quickly and easily. Ball end designed to access socket cap screws up to a 25-degree entry angle. The long arm design provides extended reach and enhanced leverage and torque. At number 4. Stanley STHT71839 Folding Metric and Say Hex Key Set. This folding hex 17-piece wrench collection provides you with the ease of simple storage along with also the professionalism of including both Say and metric sizes that satisfy ANSI gear specifications. The binding mechanism has a propensity to work loose, but it is possible to tighten it readily with an Allen wrench in the opposing group. These wrenches won't take the type of abuse it is possible to get from other high-rated Allen wrenches, however they compensate for it by providing a lower price choice for men and women that just use Allen wrench sets sometimes.